Hello and welcome to this tutorial on assembly lessons. Starting in Unit 4, you will see these lessons get incorporated into the lesson plans. To assemble means to bring together. You will help your students assemble phonograms to make words. You will later help your students assemble words to make sentences. Let's look at an example. Boys and girls, let's write the word go. Go. What sounds are in the word go? G. Very nice. G. And? Oh. Yes. Oh. Very nice. Go. You can involve your students by having them write with their finger on the palms of their hands or in their laps.